Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video in beautiful Colorado for this episode, and we are unboxing and going to be mounting and showing you the specifics and not to mention the functions of this camera Floodlight right here. App controlled. It's going to be fantastic. The company is Sansi, and just like all my videos, in the description box below, this exact product linked below in the description box. You guys over in the UK, I will have you linked if the company sells, if not one very similar to it. And so again, you have a free app that you can download so you can monitor obviously over your smartphone, your mobile device, tablet, etc. Let me run a couple specifications by you before we get it out of the box here. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. We have HD live video with voice calls, motion alerts in your phone, high capacity video storage, and the lights are LED if I did not mention that already. It has the capability of activating a siren. Let's say something fishy is going on in front of your house. You can use the mobile app and go ahead and set off a siren to scare them away. You also can toggle motion notifications. You can turn the light on or off with your mobile app, and you can open a video stream. You can get the app in obviously both Google Play Store for Android and iOS for Apple. It does need to work over a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi stream on your cable modem router. So if you have the 2.4 and the 5, it will only work over the 2.4. Rated power is 36 watts. Input voltage is AC 120 volt, 60 hertz. It also does have scheduled lighting so that if you are away during, let's say, going out to the movies, going to church at nighttime or whatnot, it will go ahead and flicker on at a certain time frame that you set in the app and turn off to save electricity. It also does have infrared vision, so that is absolutely fantastic, especially for nighttime shots. And it is water resistant. And we'll go ahead and look through the manual if there are specific specifications for water resistant. But most of the time, these are underneath your awning of your garage, your home, etc. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what we have inside. All right, here we go. This is what's inside the box. Not much to it. I have already taken it out, as we can see there. We have our installation kit right over here. We have a nice little soft pad for the back if you want to use a pad for mounting purposes. We do have our quick start user manual here, and we have, of course, our camera right here with our infrared lights, motion detection here, etc. Our nice little antenna with each floodlight having 4 LED lights per floodlight here, 4 on that side, 4 on that side. The camera does rotate up and down and also to the side if you want to have better mounting and view angles. These also tilt down and then they swivel, as we can see here like this, and then they go up, down, swivel back, and swivel back there. The same goes for that one, so you can again have different angles. As we can see here, there are our mounts, and you do have to rotate it. So if you want it up and down, you would rotate it that way. If you want it going that way. And that gives a nice broad angle for your driveway there, a nice logo in the middle, mounting screw hole straight down the pipe there. Because you are able to speak, I believe this is a speaker right there. And let's go ahead and turn it around here, because obviously we all want to know how it is mounted and how to install it. So you have your basic cords here. You have your ground, you have your positive and your negative here. Positive would be your white, negative would be your black, and ground would be your green. You can actually link this up and I will show you some installation tips, and we will be easily mounting this. Hopefully this video will help you save some time and money installing it, so you don't have to have a handyman or electrician come out. Inside the little box, the installation kit here, you have yourself a bracket, you have yourself your screws, a little end cap there, and some wire caps there. And what I thought was a pad is actually your waterproof gasket right here. All right, guys, we're just actually configuring it right now. It is hooked up. The lights are on, as we can see there, and there it is in the middle of the daytime. We do have a blinking red light right here. We are needing to configure it to the 2.4 connection. We do have our plugs plugged into here and here. Obviously, make sure you have your gasket and everything on appropriately. We drilled a hole underneath our awning here, and we have it plugged into the receptacle box, which I will show you in just a moment here before we do mount it up.
Connecting. Please wait.
There we go. It says connecting, please wait right there, as we just saw in the video. And there we have our cords again, right back here. Your green is going to be your ground, your black is going to be your hot, and your white will be your neutral wires. And we have them in the appropriate caps with our gasket right there, which we will be mounting directly in. I don't have a box. Some of you guys might already have a floodlight, and it's easy just to take it down and put it back up. But if you don't have any sort of box, this is an option for you. I will just use the appropriate screw right in the middle and drill it right into there, obviously going not in that hole, but putting the screw a little bit higher up. Well, it's all installed, looking fantastic. We just went ahead and again, we ran. This isn't a complete permanent solution. We might do a drop-down box, but we have a mail-in plug right here running through. Wonderful. Powered on, connected. We did have one issue connecting it. We actually had to use a Wi-Fi extender. This is on the front of the house. Let me show you our Wi-Fi extender right over here. This actually communicates upstairs to the modem router because it's all the way downstairs. It's a big home, sends the signal to this. So if you are having trouble connecting it over your app, you might have to put in an extender. After we put in the extender, everything linked up beautifully over the app. So right now, forgive the wind, but we're going to show you a feature of it where on the app you hit the alarm and it nice. So if you see anybody on your feed and you want to scare them off, you hit the alarm.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so this is what happens when the light goes on. As we can see, it just actually happened during live view here, and it lights it up really, really nicely. The night vision, it creates more of a circular light.
Yeah.
Live view is looking really good, folks. Here's the nighttime shot right here, guys. You can flip it between SD and HD, but that is us literally getting out of the car right in front of the camera. So the lights are beautifully, beautifully bright. They are adjustable as well, but shining beautifully all over the front yard here. That's a better look of it right there with the camera in the middle, shining all the way over here on this side here. Very bright and very nice. Now you set the time on the app for when you want the lights to come on. So we're actually using it between about 8 p.m. to about 6 a.m. or so. And once the motion triggers, which the motion is very, very good triggering, and then it goes off of about 2 minutes or so without motion. Now, due to the auto light sensing in the security camera here, it is still ambient, as you can see in the sky. It's not quite dark enough to go ahead and trip the motion detection sensors, but once it gets dark, just creeping around a corner, this motion detection is very high end and does a really great job. All right, guys, we're actually playing with the app right now, and you actually can set a sensitivity from the driveway. And we've been playing around with this. As you can see there, there's a sensitivity max or minimum. And we recommend you play around with this to the desired motion detection sensitivity so that it doesn't trip if you're just walking out to take out the trash and you don't want it to, or cars pulling down the street. You know, it's up to you. Play around with it. It's a great feature. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.